Okay, Kevin, here's how you hook up your light, your LED malfunction light. So the black lead goes into this plug here. It's a banana plug, it just slides into that. The other lead, the red lead, is a alligator clip, and it goes straight to your starter hot on the terminal right there. So to read all your codes, all you do is flip the front switch from off to run 3 times, leaving it on run the last time. And then it will start the malfunction light blinking. And you count the number of blinks, and then it'll go a second without blinking, and then it'll start blinking again for another number, and then it'll stop blinking another second, and then it'll go another number, then it'll stop blinking, and then go another number. So 4 numbers, 4 digits, and a code. And if it blinks 10, that represents 1 instead of 10. So if you get a code 10 blinks, 1 blink, 7 blinks, and 4 blinks, that means you're more than likely it's a lean condition for fuel. It's running very lean. More than likely that's going to be your injector pump and fuel filters. That's the only reason they to run lean. Starving for fuel. So if you follow that code that's in the book, the Trailblazer book, it gives you all the code references. You'll be able to troubleshoot this thing pretty easy. And this one did have a code. First blink was 10, which represents 1. And then a blink 1, and then a blink 7, and then a blink 4. So that 0174 is a lean condition, and that's what it was doing. All right.